Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here. I was scrolling through Facebook and I went ahead and found this 08 Dodge, and it's just rolling chassis, no motor, no trans, perfect for the next build. So yeah, Phil, probably gonna go pick this up here. What do you think, Phil?
I think we should. Let's lowball the guy a little bit, get him lower on the price.
We'll go pick it up today.
Alright YouTube, we are on the way to pick up the trailer, and we're also going to stop at church because it's Sunday and it's Lord's Day. So that's the update right now. Lowballed the guy a little bit. Stay tuned for later on in the video to figure out how much we buy it for, but got the cash right here. We're ready to go. Gonna go pick up the trailer. See you at the trailer. We're here to pick up the trailer. Made it to the property. Did some gravel spreading yesterday. You can see it right here. Right on the money, bro. Watch this. Oh, what'd I tell you? Hopefully it fits on this trailer. It might be a little too narrow, but we'll make it work somehow. Because it might hit those wheel wells. I don't really know though. We'll see. We'll find out if it does or not. Let me tie this up real quick. I don't know what you guys see right now, but tying up the trailer. All right, ready to go. Pick this up all the way. It's all the way. See if we have ropes in here. Yep. Make sure there's nothing at the wheels. Is our ramp good? Yep. Ready to go. Let's go pick this up. The shop's gonna be right there. Ready for a new vehicle for us to build. So yeah, let's get going on the adventure here. We're gonna take out the garbage can. Barely, like a glove. This guy's pissed. Pulling up his Camry. Made it to church. On the way, left church. Want to pick it up with Phil?
Yes, sir. The guy's asking 5,000. Let's see how low we could get him down to on the spot. Let's lowball him.
Yeah, we got to lowball him big time. Got the trailer, got the cash in hand, ready to go.
2-hour drive. Here we go.
It's not bad. Only 2 hours. Driving like 70 max with the trailer, already pushing it. So we'll see. Finally woke up sleeping
from,
beauty, dude. We're literally 10 minutes away and this guy just woke up. They didn't want to talk to me the whole way, dude. Made me drive solo. I don't know where 6-7 Cummins is, but there's only a lot of water around us, so I don't know where it is. We'll see. Be there soon. Just got here. I'm gonna back it all the way in. This guy didn't record anything. Sleeping on the job. No motor, dude. Nothing really to look at.
He took it out.
The frame's just very clean, though.
Yeah. He said he had the ECU set up for a manual.
Legit. Very, very clean frame.
He said it was one of his first trucks he's owned.
Got a bunch of parts. Dude, the frame is very clean everywhere. How's the inside? Got the title right here. Oh, very clean inside too.
Maybe should repaint
Original
it.
steering wheel. Very clean interior. Montana plates. Very clean truck, honestly, bro. The roof is very faded though.
Gonna repaint the whole truck.
Or wrap it. New project truck, baby. Let's go. Coming soon here. Clean and low key. This thing's gonna rip. It's gonna be the baddest third gen in Sacramento, I'm telling you. This thing's gonna fly. Gotta take the wheel all off because it doesn't fit. It's too wide. Especially now with the track that's in the front.
It's insane, man.
And saying we picked it up right here.
We got the camper shell too for free. Let's
We had to
go.
get it for free. Pay match too. It's just super dusty. But I mean, come on, tires aren't bad.
The guy wanted
With
to
the
give us the
wheels.
stock wheels, but I was like, no way, dude.
Got some 4th gen seats in there, but they're pretty crusty. Super clean though. Inside. Not bad. Let's go get some in and out now.
We
Starving.
didn't eat all day.
Nothing. Almost back home. Took a quick nap. Phil's been grinding out the drive.
Oh yeah.
Truck is still on the trailer. That's a good sign.
We didn't lose it yet.
Yeah, I didn't fall off the trailer yet, so we'll see you guys when we get home. Alright guys, finally made it home. Secure the truck home, all in one piece. No issues on the way home with the trailer. Everything was good. Tomorrow, I'm gonna drop it off at the property, and got a little surprise for you guys tomorrow. Found something on the way home. Stay tuned. See you guys in the morning. Hecka dusty. Let's get this thing cleaned up, dude.
Let's see if this machine works this time, dude.
It always works, bro. Apple Pay.
Oh, that was fast this time. We are here washing the truck. First thing in the morning before we drop it off at the property. We can start working on it a little bit. Finally made it to the property, guys. We got to unload it now.
Still hella dirty.
Hey, show them what the guy left in the center console, dude.
Oh, true.
He has that tuner set up with there, and then he left the. I think he forgot it here, or maybe he just gave it to us.
Forgot his EFI Live tuner.
Another one, son. 2 tuners.
Let's go.
All for $4,000. Just Just the tuners alone are like $1,500.
True. Yeah, go. Not bad. Easy. Guess where we're going, dude? I guess they'll never know until we get there.
Keep going.
Come on, bud. Wait. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. Unison.
Cinematic shot, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna hire this guy, cameraman.
You're gonna quit the tree business.
Yeah, put a piece of gear, would you?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
No. Hold that beat so your leg gets sore.
Money shot.
There's some dope music in the background. That
You just ruined the audio, bro.
he's giving music on the other side of it.
It's not, bro. He just the
You want to hear that?
ASMR. The simmer. Simmer. Yeah. I'm gonna text you.
I want to.
Might be able to. I think so. 2 in here, 2 in the back.
So we got the donor truck here. Finally got it home. Kind of damaged it up while loading it, but it's whatever. But most important part, G56. So got the tranny, got all the DEF stuff too also, but the training, everything, and engine that runs. Apparently, we'll find out. But let's get this thing unloaded. Got the other truck here. Camper cell's still dirty. Gotta wash it and actually scrub it. Gotta post this camper shell up for sale. Got a front bumper in here, some other random little things, bunch of stuff just laying around. I don't really know, but let's unload it, put it next to this one.